Welcome back, Freshwater Fishing Novices new viewers. Again, I'm a shadow. I am in Turkey River again because the Merrimack is all blown out and windy and currenty. Came back up here to get some chill. Just threw a wacky rig out. We'll see if anything comes up and hits this. Fish are pretty active right now. They're moving all over the place. That is not a bad smallmouth. Oh yeah. Let's get him back in the water. Look at that smallmouth. I'm sure I've caught him before, but this is a good looking fish right here. Let's get him back in. There he goes. I'm almost positive I've caught that fish before. Let's try again. So what happened there was I didn't feel the fish hit. What I did was I see my line moving. So that's when I set the hook. Let's try to cast that way deep in there. Let's see if there's one way up there. Huh. There we go. Oh, easy, Muscles. Everyone wants to see you. All right, let's send him back. Ooh, on the worm. Okay, so where I just threw towards a bush with a shadow, and there's a rock right in front of it, so I feel like it's protected. Let's see if there's anything else back in there. Oh yeah. Right in the top of the mouth. Let's go, fishy. Okay, let's take a look at this big, beautiful fish here. Oh, they're so muscly for how big they are. Look how beautiful that fish is. All right, buddy. Largemouth are fun, but smallies are better.